Hi my gardening angels, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be harvesting this Topsy Turvy today. I have two different kinds here. Both are Topsy Turvies, but here's one that's a little bit more green. And then this one is really pretty, but he's blue. And from my understanding, both are Topsy Turvy, and you can tell by this folded leaf here that both of them have. If I am wrong, feel free to correct me, but otherwise I think I need a name for these guys. So leave your name suggestions down below on what you think I should call the green one and what you think I should call the blue one. So I watered both of these yesterday, and so they had a little chance to fill in their leaves. Now I know that this is soaked up enough water because if I press on the leaves just really gently here, they're really stiff. If the leaves were really flexible and bendy, like so these leaves here, they're actually still pretty stiff, but they're a little bit more flexible. These are kind of older leaves. But if the main leaves, the healthy leaves, are bendy like this, you know that they need water. So I'm gonna start off with this green one here, and I'm just gonna take a knife, and then I also have a pair of sewing scissors that I thought might be kind of nice to get into those small places with. And I just kind of want to see how many I can get. Alright, so as you can see, there are quite a few more little offshoots on this one still, but I think I'm going to leave this one be and kind of just let those ones get a little bit bigger, because the bigger the offshoot is, the easier it will grow roots and be able to survive on its own. So I'm going to let this one kind of do its own thing. But otherwise, ooh, these ones are so cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna harvest from this one here. So same thing with this one here. I got all the big ones off, and now I'm going to let these offshoots grow a little bit. All right, so this is the harvest. Look at all these little things. So you can kind of see the real nice color difference here. They also have a little bit of a different shape. These ones seem a little bit more rosette-like to me, and they have shorter leaves. And these ones have really long leaves and much sharper edges. So I have been calling both of these Topsy Turvy. If you know the actual name for them, you can comment that down below. Otherwise, go write down a name, and if you don't have one, maybe go vote for somebody else's name suggestion by liking their comment. So I cut off 10 of these blue ones, and these two both have a little bonus on them. And then I cut off 13 of these ones. And my goal here was really just kind of to try to thin out those succulents so that new ones could get a little bit bigger and grow from there. I'm going to try to make these root, but these ones are pretty small in comparison to some of the bigger ones, and so they might be more difficult. But otherwise, if you are curious, I'm going to just let these dry for a couple of days. You want this open stem section to callus over and dry out, and then you can just stick it in the soil. This is my tray of current cuttings that I've had. So as you can see here, some of the blue ones. I think most of these are blue. Here is a green one compares to the blue one. Here is a crested one. And crested just means that there was a genetic defect kind of, and it just makes it grow a little bit different, and so he's kind of unique. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you go today, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.